here it is, the moment everyone's been waiting for. My buddy Hayden here, hanging out. What's up, Hayden? But yeah, finally, the body, everything is done on the car. This is the reveal video of everything that we've been up to. As you can see, the car looks different. It's got a different feel, different vibe to it. Yeah, it's just gonna be a different car. I'm trying to get rid of some of the bad juju and get into something a little bit different. Wanted to go with a different look. So off the bat, first thing, we're gonna check out the back and then we'll go to the front. But first thing we did was get rid of the stock hatches you guys have seen in a previous video. We went ahead and removed the stock hatch. It weighed about 98 pounds. This hatch combo weighs about 30, so we got some weight out of it there. Went ahead and added this Pro Stock wing, which in itself was very difficult to do because this wing didn't come ready for this car like it was supposed to. I was not happy with it at all when it came out, but after a lot of modifications, it turned out pretty good. Got our struts there, one that holds the side of the wing and the rest on the middle. We did have to extend our parachute out about 4 inches to clear the wing. But other than that, everything else went pretty good on it. So now we've got ourselves a Pro Stock wing style Trans Am with the hatch. And then in the front, one of the biggest differences that we've done in the front is we actually remodified the center hole that it had and added a ZR1 clear plastic centerpiece to kind of show it off, make the hood look a little more uniform as one piece, but still be able to show off our nice American Speed Shops painted intake and Frankenstein engine dynamic cylinder head valve covers down there. Right there, first thing we're gonna look at is bam! Right there, logos. So what you're gonna notice is instead of running the wastegates down like we used to and shooting fireballs down underneath the car, we went ahead and flipped that up. Zach did a lot of refabrication work on the actual downpipe itself, and then we flipped up the wastegates, so now we're coming up to the side of it, and instead of just going to the sides like everybody does, just puts them, you know, next to the other pipe, wanted to do something a little bit different. We actually cut into the downpipe, as you can see here. We cut into the downpipe and set this wastegate pipe into the downpipe by just a little bit, not a lot. So we didn't want to do a lot to make it restrictive, but we also wanted to be different and put it in there, kind of show it off a little bit like it's sitting like a double barrel shotgun almost inside. So that's the difference there. That's, some people may think that that's not a huge deal or wasn't worth the wait, but I think it was. I mean, this is some killer job fabrication skills from my buddy Zach over there. It's different. You're not gonna see that anywhere else, hopefully. But yeah, that's the difference now. It's got a whole different attitude. This thing is gonna definitely, number one, shoot some serious flames out of the wastegates now. It's gonna make for some interesting videos and photography going down the track, that's for sure. But other than that, the only other changes that we've made is aero with the Pro Stock wing in the back, and we've cut down on quite a bit of weight. So that's the update. That's the setup on the new Bullet WS6. We're gonna get some racing in this year. That's the plan. I don't know if we're gonna make an event depending on what's available from now, but this is the new form for next year. I wanted to get a leg up on it. I don't plan on doing any major repairs during the winter for the first time. I think we're actually gonna make it through.
You think so?
To I'm hoping so. I guess we'll find out. But that's it. That's the update for now. Really only one thing left to do. Just go race.
Yeah.
See, that orange is what I want to get. You see how the parking lights are lit up orange right there? That, when it's dark outside, should look pretty deep, pretty menacing, if you will. Over here at the shop with the Bullet, Mr. Hayden and Colin over there with Door Slammer Videos. What's up, bro? New to the channel, but yeah, a little behind the scenes action going on here. We're just taking some quick pictures, seeing what we can do with this lighting, and then waiting for the sun to go down, and then we can attack the video that I want to get out.
And see, it would have to be perfect. Speed and that. Yeah, nothing. Usually it's like,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
maybe even pulling it forward a little more, just a little into the light, and be a better chance for the camera to be able to catch it.
Getting better. Hey, am I clear in the back there?
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Okay. Big shout out to my homie Hayden for helping me out today. Thank you, sir. It was a wild adventure today with the other photos and then this. Big shout out to Colin over here. Thank you for coming out and helping as always. You too, Hayden. Yeah, that's a wrap, I guess.
Appreciate it.
Hopefully they like this video. If not, it was Hayden's fault.
Wasn't me.
All right, we're out of here. And we are here on location, on set for the second day in a row with Mr. Colin. Sean, wait, I told you I was going to ask you. It starts with a T. Yeah. Tanner. Yeah. Yeah. Right. I was going to say Taylor. But I'm horrible with names. I'm probably going to ask you like 10 more times before it's over. All right. I think I told you this already.
I'm bad with names too.
Yeah, hanging out. Just reshooting the video that we did because I just wasn't happy with basically the fire that was coming out of the downpipes. It just wasn't. I just couldn't bring myself to release that video like that. So yeah. When we needed a little more lighter fluid down the exhaust pipe, but no. Basically, what it ended up being is I just simply forgot to turn on the CO2 bottle. But even with it on, it still wouldn't have made a lot of racket because we do have the boost level setting low for racing purposes. Also, the two steps not that spicy on the car, and we have that for a reason because we don't like to go out and do as many wheelies as we used to. So that's the settings that I have it on. So what the change I made, turned up the boost. Put it at like 11, targeting about 11 psi, and we turned up the rev limiter just by a little bit. And so far during the day, it seems really spicy. I do have the ability to change it if we're not getting what we're getting, what I want to get, but I'm really confident that it's going to hit it. So I really think it's going to make for some fireworks today. So that's why I wasn't able to release the video, was because I shot it. I just wasn't happy with that specific scene. So that's why we're out here again, reshooting. Just waiting for the light to go down a little more, and then we can get to work. I think the reshoot went very, very well. Really happy with the results we have on camera. But yeah, I think, yeah, I'm happy with it. Hope you guys are liking it too. Obviously, if you're sticking around this long, you probably already decided that you like the video. So Cool. That's it. I appreciate it, homies.
Oh, yeah.
As always.
Oh, yeah.
Big shout out to this guy, Mr. Colin, with Door Slammer Garage.
Yeah.
On YouTube, right?
I do both, but I'm really trying to hit the garage stuff pretty hard.
Yeah. Hit the link for his YouTube video. Go check him out. He's got a Trans Am that he's also building. Hopefully one day we can race together side by side.
Hopefully it can be like yours.
So that's it. That's gonna wrap us up for tonight. Long couple of days here lately, but tomorrow I'm actually planning on taking the car, which you guys will maybe see in the next video or the one after that. But I'm gonna take the car out to the track. We're gonna test the air shifter. I'm gonna get into the racing thing again. Get my body adjusted to racing again, and go from there. See what the next track event's gonna be. But I think the car's ready. We just need to make a few tests, make sure everything goes well. But that's it. So now, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna get back to work.